Storm Team Weather, brought to you by the Dutch Miller Automotive Group.
Traffic and weather, of course, every 10 minutes. Here this morning, we've been tracking some showers and thunderstorms slowly crossing from the west. So far today, well, we've been dealing with some light showers. Picking up a little bit now in eastern Kentucky. You see this line of showers making their way through. Mostly light, but a few heavy spots there as well. That's going to be the impact for the morning commute. Not going to be anywhere as bad as what we're going to get later this afternoon, but be ready for some slick spots out there. Certainly, Putnam County and Cabell County seeing some of these light showers early on this morning as well. Taking a wider look, though, we have a lot more rain heading our direction. This is what's left over from the storms we saw yesterday, just the steady rain showers. Didn't have much in the way of any thunderstorm activity. It was just light. But back to the west, this is this line that actually prompted those possible tornadoes out there in Kansas and Missouri. Not going to be anything like that by the time it reaches us, though. You can see this line here, fairly well organized, breaking apart already. Eastern Kentucky or Western Kentucky is already seeing some of these showers move in now. Indiana and Ohio just beginning to get this in here. All this coming in from the south as well, so we have some showers ahead of that we're keeping an eye on. But for us, we're just dealing with some muggy conditions this morning with those steady showers coming in. Now, it's going to be closer to noon when we see those heavy showers come in, so be ready for a really stormy lunch here. And early on, once again, 10 o'clock, we see some stronger rain showers make their way in as well. By noon, we're going to hear some rumbles of thunder out there. I'm not expecting a whole lot in the way of lightning, nothing like that. There's just not a lot of energy with this system right now coming through. Thankfully, I should say, last Wednesday, we saw something similar to this, and we had those tornado warnings come in, the wind damage, power outages. I'm happy to say we don't have to worry about that. This is going to be a rain event. By 4:30 for the evening commute, the wind gusts are going to be the problem. Still keep the rain in there as well, and then finally it pushes out. So be ready for some wet roads all afternoon. Could have some accidents out there, I'm thinking, right around lunchtime. So be ready for that out there as well. Then we clear out. Wednesday, the sun shines out, but we got the wind to still deal with. 15 to 20 mile per hour gusty winds for tomorrow. Not terrible when you add the sunshine in, though. Certainly, that'll help dry us out nicely. The hour-by-hour breakdown by 2 o'clock. We're at 58 degrees here. Temperatures are going to be very steady for today. 58 there by 4 o'clock as well. And that rain's out of here. But just behind it, we have spring. The official start of spring here on Saturday night. We could have some snow Saturday night as well. I'll detail that here in just 10 minutes.